Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today Honda CB Twister 250 is back for 2025, bringing a fresh mix of sporty styling, refined performance, and everyday practicality. Positioned as an ideal street fighter for urban riders and occasional highway explorers, the new Twister 250 aims to deliver a balanced experience without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what this latest model has to offer. Aggressive yet practical design. Honda has given the 2025 CB Twister 250 a modern and aggressive look while keeping its practical essence intact. The sharp tank extensions, sculpted bodywork, and LED lighting setup give it a premium feel. Its muscular stance resembles some of Honda's larger naked bikes, making it an attractive option for riders who want a stylish machine without stepping into the higher displacement category. With multiple vibrant color options and sporty graphics, the Twister 250 ensures it stands out in the crowd. Power and performance. At the heart of the CB Twister 250 lies a refined 249 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine. Honda has tuned it for smooth power delivery, making it ideal for city commuting and occasional long rides. The fuel-injected engine produces around 24 horsepower, offering a good balance between efficiency and performance. With a 6-speed gearbox, riders can expect a comfortable cruising experience, especially on highways. Comfort and handling. Designed for daily usability, the 2025 Twister 250 features an ergonomically comfortable riding position. The slightly raised handlebars and well-padded seat ensure a relaxed posture for both the rider and pillion. Honda has also equipped the bike with a lightweight chassis which, combined with a well-tuned suspension setup, makes maneuvering through traffic effortless. The telescopic front forks and monoshock rear suspension absorb bumps effectively, enhancing ride quality on uneven roads. Braking and safety features. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the CB Twister 250 is no exception. The bike comes with disc brakes on both ends, supported by a dual-channel ABS system for enhanced braking confidence. This ensures stable stopping power, even on slippery or wet surfaces. The grippy tires further improve road contact, providing better control in different riding conditions. Technology and features. Honda has integrated modern technology to keep the CB Twister 250 up to date with its competitors. The digital instrument cluster offers essential information, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and even a real-time mileage indicator. The inclusion of an LED headlamp and tail lamp enhances visibility, ensuring better safety during night rides. Some variants might even feature smartphone connectivity for added convenience. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CB Twister 250 is a well-rounded package for riders seeking a stylish, efficient, and reliable street fighter. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-ride machine or an EXP,